If you don't understand money, you'll always struggle. But once you follow these 15 rules, your money starts growing. Let's break them down with real-life examples you can actually relate to. Rule 1. Pay yourself first. This means saving before you spend. For instance, if you earn $50,000, move $5,000 into savings right away. This simple step builds wealth automatically. Rule 2. Spend less than you earn. Live below your means. Take for instance, Peter, who earns $100,000 but spends $110,000, always feeling broke. His friend Davis earns $50,000 and only spends $30,000 a while investing $20,000, thus steadily building wealth. Rule 3. Avoid bad debt. Don't borrow for things that don't pay you back. For example, taking a loan for a new phone drains money. In contrast, borrowing to start a business can increase your income. Rule 4. Invest early and consistently. Starting now pays off. If you invest $5,000 monthly for 10 years compared to starting after 5 years, the early investor benefits from compounding. Time is the greatest leverage that does the heavy lifting by compounding your money. Rule 5. Understand assets versus liabilities. Buy things that generate income. For instance, investing in a rental property that brings in $15,000 as cash flow each month is an asset. A car that costs more in fuel and maintenance is a liability, as it constantly takes money away through maintenance. Rule 6. Create multiple income streams. Don't rely on one source. Combining your salary, a side hustle, and investments provides financial security. If one source fails, the others support you. Rule 7. Increase your financial IQ. Learn how money works. Someone who understands stocks will buy shares early, while another person may miss opportunities due to lack of knowledge. Rule 8. Control your emotions. Avoid panic or impulsive decisions. During market drops, some people sell at a loss. Smart investors stay calm and buy more, taking advantage of lower prices. Rule 9. Budget your money. Plan every shilling. Without a budget, money can easily disappear. But with clear allocations for rent, food, and savings, your financial situation improves significantly. Rule 10. Prepare an emergency fund. Aim to save 3 to 6 months of expenses. This ensures you can cover unexpected situations, like losing your job, without stress. Rule 11. Invest in what you understand. Don't follow trends blindly. Many lose money in crypto because they rush in without knowledge. Those who study and plan invest wisely. Rule 12. Take calculated risks. Smart risks can build wealth. Starting a small business after thorough research is far better than gambling your money randomly. Rule 13. Focus on long-term wealth. Patience pays off. Investing for 10 years often beats chasing quick profits with high risks every week. Rule 14. Protect your money. Avoid losing what you've built. Proper insurance can save you from significant losses due to accidents or disasters. Finally, Rule 15. Make your money work for you. Allow your investments to generate income. Instead of working long hours, let your money create wealth even while you sleep. These 15 rules are simple but powerful. If you follow them consistently, you won't just make money, you'll build real wealth. Comment below and let us know which rule are you starting today. Subscribe to Tangible Wealth for more tips on money, investing, and achieving financial success.